Prepare to elevate your space with Cozyology. In this video, we'll show you the straightforward steps to install cordless Roman shades with an inside mount. Roman shades provide a stylish and functional way to enhance your living space. They blend elegance and warmth to foster a welcoming atmosphere, while also giving you effortless control over light and privacy. The installation package includes the following parts: 1 cordless Roman shade, 2 mounting brackets for inside mounting, and a set of 4 screws with 4 wall anchors. For the installation, you'll need a metal tape measure, a pen, a drill, and a screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. Mark the holes. Hold the Roman shade at your preferred height, align it, and mark the screw positions with a pencil. Next, drill the holes into the window frame. Confirm that the holes are aligned with one another. Step 2. Install the brackets. Install the inner mounting brackets with the provided golden screw sets, then tighten the screws to secure the brackets in the pre-drilled wall holes. If the shade is wider than 47 inches, mount the center support bracket at the approximate center of the headrail. Step 3. Insert the headrail. Place the top front of the headrail into the front slot of the brackets, then push it into position to secure the rail. Now that everything's installed, pull the shade down and back up to check that it works as expected. Great! Your new Roman shade is ready to go.